Hi guys, thanks for joining me for an easy swipe that I'm going to be doing today. To prepare for the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone to each of the paint colors. And then giving them a quick stir. With the paints ready, I'm laying down my various base colors. Each of these paints is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus the 1 drop of silicone that you saw me add. I will list all my paint colors, ratios and supplies in the description box so you can find all the details there. I'm just tilting the canvas a bit to spread the paint around to cover some of the open spaces. Now I'm laying down some white paint. This white is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone. It's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 2.5 parts water. To swipe, I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in. Exciting to see some cells already popping up. The painting is looking a little bit plain to me, so I'm doing a few more swipes using my palette knife to create just a little bit more interest. I am glad I added those extra swipes at the end, and it was fun experimenting with this color combo too. I haven't actually tried this specific color combination before. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me today, and if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.